Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I'm going to show you how to fix when one earbud isn't working on your earbuds Libratone TRACK Air Plus. You have to start by put your headphones to the charging case. Now close the case and open it. After that, remove your headphones and check it. Maybe it help you. But if it doesn't, we should make a hard reset. So, put it to the charging case. And now make double press on this multifunctional button, and after double press, press and hold. So 1, 2 and press and hold. Here we go. After that, click the information icon or settings icon if you have Android. Forget this device. And also the second one, forget device. As you can see, it entered to pairing mode, so don't forget to click pair a new device on your Android. And now click on the first earbud. And now it asks for the second one, so click pair again. And we did it! Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to the channel and leave the like on the video. It's really important to us. See you later!